what was in your egg?
Daddy, can I put my money in here?
Sure.
Here, you can put all your candies in this bowl. That's your bowl. Okay? So put your
I don't
candies
see any more.
in that bowl.
Keep looking.
Keep going.
I found one! I found another one!
Oh, Alex, put them in the bowl.